Hi guys, my name's Heather. I'm a hygienist here with GuruNanda, and today we are going to talk about floss. We're going to be talking about string floss today, but there are other ways to floss your teeth, like with those little handheld plastic flossers. But I still love string floss, especially expanding floss. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to know is how much floss to use. So when you open it, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take an arm's length. So you're gonna grab it, reach out your arm, and that's how much floss you need. So it might seem like a lot of floss, but why you need so much is because you wrap it around your fingers and then unwind, so then you have a fresh new piece for each tooth. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna wrap it around one middle finger more than the other one, so then you can unwind and wrap it to the other one. So I'm just gonna wind it around one middle finger, almost all the way, and then tightly secure it with the other one. Wrapping it around your middle fingers allows your thumb and your index finger to be free, so then you're able to navigate the floss around your tooth. Super important to have a good grip on the floss because you're gonna wanna hug the tooth and go up and down. So if the floss is sliding around, you won't be able to properly floss the teeth. So you're gonna wrap it around, you're going to slide in, you're not gonna pop in, so you're just gonna slide, make that C shape and hug up and down, and then push over to the other side and go up and down. Unwind, get a new piece. Unwind, get a new piece, and that's what it's going to look like throughout your entire mouth. Now, this might look like regular floss, but it's quite different than just regular waxed floss. So this is actually expanding floss. Expanding floss is like using a loofah for in between your teeth. It puffs out and expands to fill in between your teeth to disrupt more bacteria. So this is disrupting way more cavity causing bacteria, so you're less likely to get a cavity when you're using expanding floss. And it's also healthier for the gums too. This is everything you need to know about string floss. Take an arm's length, wrap it around your middle fingers, unwind when you're finished flossing to get a fresh new piece for the next tooth, and that's it. So try not to overcomplicate it. Should be simple, should only take you about a minute to floss, and once you start flossing daily, you'll get a good routine, you'll get better at it, and it will be much easier for you. Okay? That's it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below, but I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!